Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon. My name is Erik.Sakshaug, and today I'm going to be giving you a brief tutorial on this 2018 Newmar Baystar Sport 2702, one of the most popular short Class A's on the market. Let's start on the exterior so I can show you all of the wonderful features that we have out here. You are, of course, going to have a 4,000 watt Onan generator, and then from here you do, of course, have your power bay. What's unique about the power bay is that Newmar has taken some of the innovation from their diesel product lines. This is something you typically started seeing on their diesels a few years ago. That little gasket is going to enable you to stay plugged in and keep this door closed up nice and tight so you don't have to worry about bugs or critters or anything like that getting in there. Really a wonderful feature to have. On this side as well, take a peek and just look at how simple and organized all of your wet bay stuff is over here. Everything, you've got probeless tanks, you've got your black and gray tank drains right there. Real easy to access, no worries, piece of cake. As we move our way around to the door side of the coach, keep in mind that this is a pretty well loaded coach. You do, of course, have the full body BASF paint that Newmar is known for using. You do, of course, have the side view cameras on the outside as well. And then you do, of course, have no shortage of storage space as well. All of these are fully lit. You can see these LED lights that are sitting right here. You do, of course, have auxiliary power on the outside. And then check out the amount of storage that you've got in the back here as well. This is, of course, a pass-through storage bay, and you've got another massive storage bay right back there as well. No shortage of things you can put in there. Perfect for fishing rods, collapsible canoes. You can fit lots of golf clubs in there as well. Let's go have a look at the wonderful interior. Right in the back of this brand new Baystar Sport 2702, first thing to notice, you've got a queen size bed here. Okay, it's a queen. The big thing about it is that it's an 80-inch long queen, same as you'd have at home. This is something that Newmar does in all their coaches, proper size bedding. What that means to you is that you're, of course, not going to have to go out and buy special sheets for it. You do, of course, have two nice big shirt closets here. No worries. You do, of course, have 110 power out here as well. Look at these beautiful dressers. These, of course, are going to open all the way full length. These are, of course, going to have full ball bearing slides on the outside. That's going to be great for durability, longevity, also ease of use. As we move on out, let's get into the bathroom here a little bit. You will notice that, again, I've got plenty of space to move around in here. Up top is going to be our main electrical bay. That means you don't have to worry about going outside with a flashlight in the rain if something shorts out. Medicine cabinet here, and then you do, of course, have your 36-inch radius shower. So for those of you that have seen a lot of my videos, you know I'm 5'9", I'm about 200 pounds, and someone that's about 6'3" or 6'4" could get in here quite comfortably. And then with my back all the way up against the wall, you'll notice that my hands aren't touching anything, so lots of room to move about in here, even though this is a relatively short coach. As we move out into the dining and living space, you do, of course, have a sofa and a dinette. This is not something that's completely common on shorter Class A's. Usually you've got a sofa or a dinette. So look, a lot of unique engineering with Newmar on this. They've really done a fabulous job. These are, of course, going to be flex steel furniture. So this guy here is going to be your fold and tumble bed, which is going to pull out just as simple as it can. Plug that into that 110 switch, flip their 110 power, flip the switch back there, and this will inflate into a legitimate queen size bed in about 2.5 minutes. No worries. Whoops. Kitchen space, they've taken and made the most out of a little. As you can see, you've got solid surface countertops, you've got a real backsplash here, and you do still have a fully equipped kitchen. So 3-burner gas cooktop, full oven and microwave, and then you still have plenty of room to move about and do your work in here in the kitchen. As we move into the cockpit, this is, of course, going to be featured on a Ford F-53 chassis. This is going to have a 6.8 liter Triton V10 engine in it. That's going to be tuned to 320 horsepower, about 460 foot-pounds of torque. You do, of course, have 6-speed transmission in here, and this is also going to feature tow haul mode. One other thing that's worth noting, like I said, this is a pretty loaded coach. They've actually put the Rand McNally GPS on this as well. This is going to be an RV-specific GPS. It's not going to put you under an overpass that you can't fit through, so you're not going to have to worry worry about ripping the AC off the top of your roof or anything like that while you're going down the road. This is also going to feature, of course, full leveling jacks, no worries, and then, as I said before, flex steel furniture throughout, and that does include the captain's chairs that I'm sitting in right now. Ladies and gentlemen, that's about all the time I have to talk about this beautiful 2018 Baystar Sport 2702. For those of you that are familiar with the Newmar product line, you know that there's a lot of details here that I haven't gotten into just yet, but I'd love to have a conversation with you, and so you can make an informed decision for you and your family. Please feel free to contact me using the information below on the screen, or if you'd like, feel free to call me direct on my cell phone. That number is 541-513-3171. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and please remember, we're always here to help.